my channel, XOXL. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this at least once a week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Rochelle_XOX, and Twitter, which is XOX_Shell, to be updated on a bunch of stuff that's going to be going on. So I'm doing the Maxim magazine cover contest, so definitely vote for me for that. I'll put the link down in the description box. I'm also going to make a separate video just on that, so that way you guys can have more updates about it. But definitely go vote for me. It's free, and I definitely would love to win. Also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, so be sure to be subscribed and follow me on Instagram and Twitter to be updated on that. So let's get right into this Boxycharm unboxing for September. I'm going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging too, but I decided to do the Boxycharm one first because I kind of like Boxycharm a little bit more than I like Ipsy. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. What is your favorite subscription box? Let me know down below. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, definitely check out my other videos and my Boxycharm playlists that I'm going to link up here, so that way you guys can check it out. So Boxycharm is $25 a month. You get it every month. It is full-size product, which is awesome. And yeah, I'm going to show you what I got. We're going to start with least favorite to favorite, like we always do. So this is my least favorite. This is the Laura Geller Blush, Baked Blush and Brighten. So it's this in Tropic Hues. So it's a very pretty color. I'm just not a huge blush person, but it does have some like golden tones in it, which is really, really nice. So, I mean, if you like that, then go for it. If you like blush, then that's totally you do you. Then we have some Hank and Henry Matte Liquid Lipstick in Petal Pusher, which is actually what they used to call capri pants back in the day. Smells pretty good. This is a pretty dark color, but it is pretty. We're going to swatch it. So it dries down matte, so this is what it looks like on right now. But that's a pretty dark color, but this packaging is adorable. Look at that. It's like a lipstick inside plastic, but it's a liquid lipstick. Like, that is super cute, I must say. So then we got some brushes from Almar. Let's look on the sheet. This theme is wildflower, by the way. Almar. 100% synthetic fibers. They're really cool. Oh, so by the way, the Laura Geller blush is normally $28 on its own. The liquid lipstick is $17, and these brushes are $18. So in that in itself, it's definitely worth it. Then we have the Butter London liner. I love liquid eyeliner. This is normally $19. Ooh, that's a nice eyeliner. Yeah, that's nice. I just feel like it might be a little bit too liquidy. Honestly, yeah, you do have to shake it. Honestly, for me, I am not a huge fan of these types of liquid eyeliner. Like, I feel like I'm not going to be able to do it. I mean, I'm going to try. I'm so used to the type that are like a pen. So we're going to see about this, because I am definitely not used to these. I know that it doesn't seem like it would be like a huge difference, but it definitely is, because I've tried it and it doesn't work for me. The next and last item that is really nice, I do love this, I must say. Super pretty eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar. It's called Nightingale. Super pretty colors. These are very, very wearable, very natural. You could make them darker, deeper, whatever you want to do. Love it. So this Boxycharm was really good, honestly. I do really like this. Tell me what your favorite product out of this Boxycharm was. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm, and also let me know what your favorite subscription box is, because I want to try more of them because I think they're pretty cool. So yeah, so let me know and give me your thoughts. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned for my Ipsy unbagging as well, because that will be coming. Bye, guys!